Once I was playing football and on field I got injured. The pain was so severe, it was unbearable, so I consulted a local doctor. Doing several tests, I got to know that I am diagnosed with osteosarcoma cancer.
I was a bit scared at the start, like why me was the question popping again and again in my mind. Me and my mom, we cried for hours, and then she just told me that let's do this, let's face this, you're gonna win this battle for me. And then onwards, my cancer journey began with strong willpower. My friends and my family have been the strongest pillars of my life during this journey. They always supported me and always pushed me forward. So everything was new to me. I didn't know what will be next. I had my port surgery done, and finally the day came when my first chemotherapy started. I had 18 cycles of chemotherapy in total, and first 3 cycles went very bad, like my body was accepting the chemos. I felt very nauseatic, I had high fever, and it was very unbearable. But mainly I started accepting all this happening with me, and kept moving forward with a positive note. Yes, indeed, cancer is not a death statement. But yes, early diagnosis is crucial. But, anyways, cancer is just a word and not a sentence. But there are many myths prevalent in this society related to cancer. Instead of giving moral support and positivity to the patient, they just try to ignore them. Also, sometimes they think that cancer is a communicable disease, which is not the case, and they just avoid them. But thanks to the doctors, my family members, and my friends for being the constant support, and this didn't happen in my case. Yes, exactly. There's chemotherapy, targeted therapy, and lots of biomodulators. I would tell everyone that today's technology is very advanced and the patients are provided with the best treatment possible. I am grateful to my doctors, the hospital staff, my family, my friends who have been my spine through this journey, who have helped me win this battle so easily. Thank you for everything you have done for me. Thank you so much. I can't thank enough. Secondly, music has played an integral role during this journey. Music has helped to recreate and rejuvenate. Taking it positively, cancer has helped me to excel in music, and today I have successfully launched my first YouTube channel. Firstly, I would like to say that just own and accept it. I know it will be very difficult to digest such diagnosis, but just accept it and get ready to fight the battle. Secondly, take proper treatment, palliative care, believe, trust, and follow everything what the doctors say. Take proper health care. Also, sometimes it will be very horrible to accept a chemo or radiation, but keep moving forward. Meditate regularly, keep a positive attitude, and make yourself strong day by day. Third and the most important point is never give up. Never give up. Never give up. I can survive, and I did survive. If I can, why can't you? लग जा गले के फिर ये. And when you will win this battle, you will be so proud of yourself. Today I proudly say that I am a cancer survivor. On 27th of June, I overcame cancer. So this day I celebrate my new birthday with my friends and family. वालम्मा वोले आवोले वालम्मा वोले आवोले माटीचे लवणी पवाय ओ ताथैया थैया ताथैया थै ताथैया थैया ताथैया थै